Okay, so today I'm going to teach y'all how to make a balloon dog. So you're going to want to blow up a balloon that looks like this, the long balloon. And you're going to want to do it with like a hand pump. You can do it with your mouth, but it's like really hard, so don't do it. I wouldn't suggest that. That's a pro tip. So then you're going to want to make 3 like bubbles that are, and when you blow it up you're going to want to leave 2 inches at the end. Then you're going to make 3 bubbles that are about 2 inches long or so, just like that size. And make 3 of those. And then, after you have those, you're going to bend them like this. And then you're gonna want to twist them together. And now you have your face. That's the ears. And you have the mouth. And then you're gonna leave a little bubble, like a circle, right there. And then, like you did in the beginning, you're gonna make 2 bubbles. Instead of 3 bubbles, you'll make 2 bubbles that are about that size. And these are going to be its front legs. And you're going to take those and bend them. And then you're going to want to twist. And then you have its front legs, and then its neck, and its ears and mouth. And then you're going to leave space for the body, however long you want it to be. Like that. And then you're going to make 2 more bubbles, like you did for the front legs. Maybe about like that. And you're going to take them, you're going to bend them, and then twist. Okay, I'm done. And then twist. And you're going to put those together and just twist them together. And then flip them over. And there you have your balloon dog. And if you want, you can draw a little face. It's kind of cute, yeah.
Oh, it's kind of cute.